Hi, this dashboard represents a real-world solar fleet operation scenario. And here in TDengine, you can do everything from visualizing this operation to checking out specific insights. TDengine is the single source of truth for time series solar data operation. At the top, you can see that this says site level operations. Okay, so let's see how we can get these insights and derive something for a solar scenario. Now picture this. Your gym. You are a solar fleet manager. And right here, you're able to manage all of your sites within your fleet at a press of a button. I'm able to derive the time that I want to see, as well as statistics like the curtailment now, the module temperature, the site level PR, and all of those things. You could see the string heat map, so you can know exactly which modules are overheating and which ones aren't. You can check specific sites all over. And as you can see, this section shows live data, and I can even change the refresh intervals. So as data constantly flows in, I'll be able to see it here. I could change this to the last 30 minutes, so the last 30 minutes of data if I wanted to, or maybe the last 1 hour. Give it a second to refresh. And there you go. Got data constantly flowing in, as well as all of my metrics over here checked on one dashboard. And I could check it for multiple different sites, which is the real power of analytics here. Now, this is awesome. But what if I wanted to see the whole fleet as the fleet manager? Well, I could do that as well. Just like with the sites, we have a fleet level dashboard that shows everything that's happening within a fleet. You could see the fleet level PR. I can change the timing, so I can do the last 1 hour. And I can go deep within the fleet level and see status updates, the availability, the curtailment, the milliwatt, the active alarms, and as well as status updates, and exactly where the heat maps fired in the last hour, the energy today, so all of the energy produced, and then the active power, all visualized in one dashboard. Fleet PR is continuously streamed and executed. At the top, these metrics are for executives and operational teams, and all of these are not pre-aggregated files or batch jobs. These is raw time series data coming in. Cool. Now, what if you want to use TDengine for real-time analytics? Well, that's great. You could do that as well. With our real-time analysis, for one of the things that you want to check is the temperature of one of your weather sensors, which I can do, right? So here I have one for module temperature that triggers when the temperature goes too high. Let's fire an event. We don't want those panels to heat up, right? And that's one of the things that we really want to do. Well, we could do that, right? So when we don't want one of the panels to heat up, we go back into IDMP, and that's what it looks like. It'll show you exactly where the temperature is hit by firing off an event. And I can actually see a trend chart of that. Now, what if I want to what if I want to check another piece of data against that event? Maybe I want to know what the ambient temperature was when the module temperature went too high. Well, I can just add it to the trend chart, right? So I'll know exactly what that outside temperature was when this temperature fired off at a certain degree. And that's how you could use TDengine to create real-time analytics and visually see everything going on real time in your scenario. Thank you.